Crafty Ones. This is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I have a couple things I wanted to share. I got Happy Mail from my friend Dale. I'll show that. Also, I wanted to, let's try to stabilize that. I am once a month going to send out a priority mail, medium-sized flat rate box of things. It's going to be a challenge. I'll pick one person a month, that I choose. It's not a contest, but I'll send a box like this full of things to make a journal with. And the challenge is whoever I send it to, that they use everything in that box to make a journal, one journal. So that's the challenge. To it'll be just random stuff. It's not going to be like themed or anything, but you just take everything out. It'll have fabrics, trims, papers, index cards, whatever, maybe coffee dyed, scrapbook paper, buttons, whatever. And so when you get the package, if you just show the unboxing, and then later, there's no time constraints. I don't work good under, the time limit. So I just want it to be fun. So whenever you complete it, you just post that journal. I just want it to be fun for you, and then you can keep that journal, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can sell it, you could swap, you could give it away, or keep it. So I sent my first box out, so I'm not going to say, am I going to say who's getting it? No, it's just going to be a surprise. So this is kind of late for January, kind of decided to do it. So that box will be for the January. I know it's February 2nd now, and then I'll do one toward the end of February to somebody else. So it's just kind of a fun challenge. So if you get it, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you'll do the challenge to make a journal with the supplies I send. So the next thing is fun. I received this Happy Mail from my friend Dale, Not Too Shabby Chic, and look at all the fun stuff she sent in this huge box. And I told her, I don't know, I'm like overextending myself. I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't usually work like this when I make journals. I just make one and finish it. But I don't know, because we're in the RV and I had all these little golden books to do. I just kind of got them to the point where I need to embellish, but then haven't done it yet. And then I had all these little, the little elf books, and I got all the papers ready. Now I need to make those, but I haven't made those yet. And then I was doing my new corrugated spine type journals, and I made a couple covers, so I haven't finished those. So I don't know what's going on, but I don't usually work like that. And then I'm like told Dale, my friend, I said, I think I kind of want to do something besides little golden books right now. I think I want to make a boho journal, but I didn't have a lot of stuff, so she sends me this, and now I should finish the other things first. So I don't know. I think once I'm home, my goal is for 2021 to be more, just maybe post, 3 times a week, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, have more of a, more of a schedule type. I don't know. I'm a little more whimsical, like whatever moves me, but I'm going to try to do that. Like have, Mondays, Wednesday, Fridays have videos, and, complete more of my projects. So that's my goal. Anyway, let's check out what I got from Dale. Thank you, Dale. I might not make the boho journal while I'm on the road, but I will definitely make it once I get home. So thank you. I need to complete some of the things I've started. Look at all these bits of doily, like crochet doily. Those are good on anything. I love little bits and pieces, little things to make clusters with. And here, what do we have? My nails are terrible. We have really pretty things to make little snippets with. I think I sent you some of this, Dale. And then laces. It looks like a vintage type lace. Well, that's pretty. I love blue. So she sent me all these pretty blue things to make clusters with. How fun is that? Super pretty. Bird. Yes. Wonderful cluster material. And then we got this bag of wonderful fibers and things. Look at all this stuff. What should I do first? Look at this pretty purple, not a pretty color. And here's some with green and browns. Eyelash trim. We have these fluffy eye fibers here. Love them. We have this type of fiber. I like that. That's fun. Fun. We have this fluffy fiber here, kind of like a yarn type. She sent me this white fluffy fibers. And this is a thicker one. I can see that on a boho journal. This would be cool with a boho or shabby chic journal. And then we have this fiber. Whoops, where am I? Right here. Isn't that cool? Put on tags. And then here's this suede lace. That'd be cool as some type of binding. Wow, so much things, so many things. Then I believe she made this because we chatted and while I opened it so she could explain stuff. But she made this and added the little fibers and the little dragonfly. Isn't that cool? And then I've got all this beautiful boho trim. Sparkly, that looks vintage right there. This is so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks for sharing all these goodies, Dale. Look at that one. I know she's this pretty. She's on the design team with Dust Fairies, and I know some of this I think is from. I think her name is Sophia with Dust Fairies. So I look forward to seeing Dale's creation used with the material she got from Dust Fairies. That has a lot of boho trims. Look at that. I'm in the mood for a boho journal, but I need to finish my little goldens, which I love making too. Pretty. And this looks almost like a scarf type with gold speckles. So generous. That's not all. That would have been enough right there. But no. There's more. This is cool. Like you could put that in the middle of a journal. Cover that. And that would make a neat little pouch for a journal. We have these fabrics. I love velvets. This is kind of a plummy purple. And all these little bits and pieces, like batik and gorgeous. And I cannot think what this is. I never can. That stitched. And look at all this. Netting. Isn't that pretty? And some more pretty. It's like a thicker fabric. Oh, that is so beautiful. Isn't that pretty with this? And then she sent me this before I made a journal cover with this. Isn't that pretty? Or Shabby Chic, and then jean pockets. Love that. Cool for a farmhouse. And this little fabric, soft. Very lovely. And here's like looks like a file folder. That would make a really sturdy cover. And what else? You just jam-packed this, Dale. You did so much. I love these little notepads. Isn't that pretty with the flowers? We have some more boho type fabrics. It's gorgeous. And that would be really pretty with these papers here. Perfect for that. for boho. Beautiful papers. This would all go good in a boho journal. Pretty. Feeling spoiled. Beautiful. And a little notepad, isn't that cute? I'm going to put that in my purse for notes. Set that aside. And then she's got pattern papers. And this cool baggie. Oh, this crinkly baggie. I think you might have made that. And look at these. Those are really perfect for a boho. Kind of got paisley print on the paper clips. We have a really pretty bracelet. Look at that sparkliness. That would be pretty off a dangle. I think she may have made this. Oops, what do I got? What do I have everything? Does this come off here? I'm not sure what I'm doing. But look at all these things that could be used on a boho journal. And then these pretty colorful pom-poms. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Nice. Okay, and then we have more. Life smells so good. Isn't that cute? Cute little tag. I like these little punched out pieces. Pretty little fence. And these doilies here go perfect with this paper. More paper. Very cool. Ooh, look at this tag. It's been embossed and glittered up. It'd be pretty in a fairy journal. Speaking of fairies, here's a fairy book. Look how cute, the little button here. Tiny little envelope. She sent me this because she knows I like fairies and I want to make a fairy journal. Again, so cute. Isn't that cute? Look at the tiny little shoes. I have some of these that are like little, I don't know what you call them. They're like resin, like ornaments. I know I have that one. I had quite a few. I think I have that one. I've always, I had a fairy garden for my granddaughters. Still do. I've always liked fairies. They're just kind of whimsical, magical. Love that little book, From Tip to Toe. Flower Fairy Friends, a little book of fairy fashion. Sweet. Thank you. And then she sent me, oops, more. You have to check out Dale's, not Shabby Chic, her digitals. Look how cool these are. You could alter them, and that could be used in so many different types of journals. Oops, here's another part. Oops. She did her own mixed media, and that's what those are. Awesome. That's cool. Little words. And then we have more awesome papers. And then this is from her kit. I'll tell you the name. I have it on here. She sent me all these. Cool. Beautiful. That's her own work. It's Dale's work. Check out her digitals. You can cut these all out. I think they're called Drunken Butterflies because they're made with alcohol ink or mixed media. That's funny. This is from one of her kits. All her digis are cool with her own art there. And then I have some, she sent me these. I bought this kit from Studio 20AD. And I've made journals using Sherry Studio 28's digital kits. Aren't they cool? With her boho kit. So I'll be using these pages again from Sherry. And check out Studio 2080. I'll put her link too. These beautiful digis. These are postcards that are cool. She sent me dictionary pages. Some more pages. More beautiful pages from... Oh, this is, I'll show you some more of Dale's digis. Oh, I think this might have been was this a cover or a tag you made, Dale, I think? That's really cool. And I think she has some, these are from Dale's digis. Might be the wine dyed paper. This is from her own artwork. She cropped that, I think. More of her dyed papers. Awesome. Look at this. Pretty. The back of tags. So I'll put a link to, oh yeah, this is the one this is her own work. And then I think she cropped one of these and then made a card out of it. That's her own artwork. Pretty. That'd be awesome in a frame. And here's some more of her gorgeous artwork that are digis. Oh, that's so pretty. They're beautiful. Love them. Great work, Dale. So that's her artwork that you can buy, digis. Let's see. What else do we have? Okay, then this is the last of it. Can you believe it? That was just jam full. It's a really cool little envelope. Another really cute envelope. It's sparkly. And then we have some, black and white. You fold it into cards. This is a cool envelope with that on the edge there. And then more envelopes, textured. Another little card, postcard. And then we have this art therapy. You could use this in boho or whatever journals, botanical. Thank you. Oh, that says love. Very pretty. Thank you, Dale, so much. Some pursue happiness, others create it. That's cool. That'd be cute framed. I love that. Thank you so much, Dale, and I love everything you got. You're more than generous. Appreciate your friendship. Check out her shop, and Sherry Smears too with Studio 2080. Check out their boho digis and Dale's digis. All right, make it a great one. Bye-bye.